I need a banger.
Bang!
No, I'm banging. You're not banging. I'm banging.
Can we bang together?
1, 2, 3. Bang!
Bang! I wasn't ready.
Bang!
Neeves knives.
I'm Jared.
I'm Jared.
I'm Jared with
my lovely wife, Kara. Hello.
And today we are doing an unboxing.
Yes, we are.
We do not know what it is. I'm actually very curious of what it is. So
it's really confusing for us when you guys have your YouTube names, you know, and then it comes with a real name. And we're like, who is this?
And you know, we deal with a lot of names, so sometimes names will be similar, very similar.
Oh, yeah.
And we mix them up a little bit. But we're just human guys, so don't hold it against us. I don't want anybody to think that they didn't mean enough or their package didn't mean enough. It has nothing to do with that. It has everything to do with me having man brains.
This is like really taped.
Yeah, this thing is, it's heavy. That's one thing, it's heavy. Why are you going both sides? Just in case?
Just in case. It's so like, oh, it goes up here.
Why don't you use here? Use this knife.
This knife is good. It has a good tip. It's very sharp. It's just that it goes here, then here, then here, like the way it is.
What are you cutting with?
The Feist.
The Kaiser Feist.
Got the whole phone.
That's what I was trying to do, because normally you just cut it and pop it right out. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, there's stuffs in here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just pull, there's these like packages, I'm gonna pull them out and make sure there's not a letter.
Oh, I know what these are now!
What is it?
I just realized what they are.
What is it?
We don't even need to do this tape.
Well, what is it?
They're sharpening stones.
For you?
Yeah, for me to test out. They're not for me to keep, though.
Some bitch.
They're not for me to keep, but these things are amazing.
You son of a...
No! I've been so excited about these.
I'm so annoyed.
Okay, I know exactly what these are. I'm so excited for these.
So effing annoyed right now.
Ooh, these are Neeves diamond infused stones.
One. Neeves? How fitting.
Yeah, these are very expensive stones. Somebody sent them to me for me to try out.
It's really kind, but you know, you could have sent me like a flower or something.
I don't even know if we're gonna post this now, but I'm excited. I know you guys are like, we got let down because we thought these were knives.
I am so disappointed. I didn't even get like a flower or like, here, Kara. I know you don't care about this stone.
Where's my loop?
Here you go, sir. And I'm leaving the video. Have fun with your stones.
Alright, go shut it off.
You better go give me a gift or something.
Thanks, bud. Oh, man, this is awesome.
Thank you for making my husband happy, though. I will say that is nice. Bye, guys.
Peace. Oh, I already started using these things. As soon as I sat down, I started using them. I'm letting them dry off right now by letting them sit upright in the clamp where they're really clamped in. But they, so far, I'm very impressed. I'm going to do a review on these, and this is the knife that I just did. I'm not in my good lighting or anything, but during the review, I will definitely show it. I brought it up to the 1200 grit. Let's focus. And it looks really good. I normally don't bring S35VN up to a very high grit. I normally like it in a lower grit. To me, it just performs a lot better. But the 1200 is usually about the highest I like to bring it. Now, don't get me wrong. I do have some that I have at a higher grit. But the lower grits just seem to perform a little bit better. And 1200, like I said, is about as high as I like to take it. And this is a very, very nice edge. Without even stropping, it was very keen, and I'm liking the way the edge looks. I'm loving the feeling of the stones, the way how it feels dragging across. Now, each one is a little different. Obviously, you know, you got your more aggressive one. Now, I was surprised how fast they actually cut, because I was under the impression from so many people that they cut very slow. This actually was done very fast. I mean, incredibly fast. I was surprised how fast I got this knife done. Now, it already had a decent edge on it, but it did have a couple little chips in it. Nothing, you know, big or nothing, but they sharpen out very quickly. And yeah, so I will be doing a full review on these Neeves diamond infused stones. Yeah, I'm really liking these guys. Peace.